Hello guys, today I am going to tell you a Chinese drama and today I'm going to explain this drama in English, so I hope that you'll like it. At the beginning of this drama we see our main heroine as well as our main hero. We see our main heroine has taken admission into an art subject. Then we see how she is remembering her past when her neighbor son and her neighbor, they both shifted next to her door. Then we see how when our main lead tells her mother that she is going to take admission into art, then at that time her mother became angry and she said, no, I won't let you take admission into that. Then our main lead became angry and she went into her room. Then our main hero came and then he told her that I have taken your mother's consent, so you didn't need to worry. Then we see he also tells her that he wants to take admission in acting. At a time he said it would be a waste if he doesn't go into an acting school. Then our main heroine starts to begin making his fun that how could your face can be suitable for acting. Then we see both of them in an acting school. They both give their forms. At a time we see our main hero who is trying to tell his parents about his passion, and then his parents who already knows what he wants, his mother gives him a card, and at a time she also tells him to take admission so he'll be able to get better score in new college. And then we see all of them in an acting class. Then we see our main heroine who is talking to her best friend. She told her that now you don't need to worry because now finally I have gotten rid to my childhood best friend. At a time her best friend said, what are you talking about? Do you know everyone wants to sit next to him? But she said, if you have to spend your whole day with him, then you'll know. Then we see our main hero and heroine. Our main heroine, when she comes out from the school, a ball was about to hit her, but at a time our main hero saves her. Then she remembers an incident from the past where our main hero is making fun of her, and then he doesn't like it. Then two girls came to our main hero and told him that she wants to get his number, but at that time he said that I don't have mobile phone. At a time our main heroine says that if you really want to get his number, then you have to use pigeon to get his contact. Then we see them, both of them going house, and at a time our main hero asks our main heroine, now tell me what kind of college are you going to take admission, but she doesn't tell him, and at a time they both decide to keep it a secret. Then she asks him, but he doesn't tell either, so they both decide to keep it as a secret so they'll be able to tell each other afterwards. Then we see their discussion and finally they decide to go back. And then we see our main heroine who is talking to her sir. At a time her sir is giving instructions to her, and he's also trying to make her understand that she better take admission into science, but at a time she doesn't want to. And then we see a scene where our main heroine is unable to study, while on the other hand we see sir who is trying to teach her, but she's not very focused in her class, while on the other hand we see our main hero who is also focusing on his studies. Then when our main heroine class ends, she finally goes out where our main hero has been waiting for her for quite a long time. That he also tells her that what took you so long, because of you I have to wait for such a quite long time. Then we see our main hero who is trying to open a classroom. Then we see both of them who is sitting in a classroom where our main heroine, she has come here for study, but while she was studying they both try to make fun of each other, and our main hero, she He also tried to mock her, but at a time we see how she fell asleep and our main hero wakes her up, and then when she woke up she decides to go home immediately. Then we see the scene shifts to again in school, where we see our main heroine result and our main hero's result has come out, and both did well. And we also realized that how our main heroine has gotten admission into new college where she wanted to, but now she doesn't want to tell our main hero about her college. We see her talking to her senior, so she'll be able to know what kind of thoughts she has. At a time while she was talking to her senior, our main hero wanted to check her mobile phone, but mobile phone fell down and she became angry. And then she said, what the hell do you even think of yourself? How could you do this to me? And then we see again they both are working hard in their domes, and then we see how their parents is helping them in going their colleges domes. Then we see again our main hero and heroine, our heroine who is out, and there she sees a girl who is trying to buy a teddy bear but unable to take it. At that time our main heroine decides to help her but couldn't do, and then the girl began to cry. Then our main hero came, and she decides to and then he decides to help that little girl. Then finally he won that game. After that they both were coming from their ways. Then our main hero again asks her about her college, but she doesn't tell him because she doesn't want him to take admission into the same college, because she always think that she doesn't want to have his company around him, and she always wanted to get rid of him. Then we see them both trying and talking with each other and having fun with each other. Finally they are near the street of their house, and now they both are sharing their feelings, how they feel and how they want to achieve their targets of their life. That said, they're not aware what they really want to become, but they're elated to do something remarkable. And then we see how they are close to each other, even though our main heroine doesn't want to have his company, but she still appreciates him and his company too. Then we see how he gives something as a gift to our main heroine, and on the other hand we again see the next class where our scene shifted, and we realized how they both have gotten great grades, but they both don't tell each other because they don't want to expose the secret. At a time while they all were having dinners, then our main heroine's mother was about to tell about the college she's going to take admission, but she doesn't let her mother do that because she wanted to keep it as a secret. Then we see next day they all go to their college, their respected college, and when our main heroine reaches her college she finds her best friend there. At a time she tries to ignore him, and then she asked a girl help, and she called her as a senior. She asked her that if it is possible, can you please show me the dome? And at that time we see both of them reaching to their dome. Then that girl whom she was thinking as a senior tells her that I am also your dome fellow, so from this moment onward we are going to be united. Then we see other girls too in the dome and how they were talking about their respective things. On the other hand we see our main hero who is also reached in his dome, and we see many other boys too. Two boys also entered into the class, and they seem like hooligans, but they turned out to be nice fellows. And then we see also one of them who using laptop at a time. Then we see again our main heroine. Now she is having a great time because she has finally gotten rid of him, but now she feels sad again when she finds him again next to her. And then she asks, who told you? It must be my mother, right? Then he said, no, I just found out because of your ID when you applied that for. Then I realized that you are about to go there, so I also worked hard to get admission into this college. At that time, she becomes sad and thinks to herself, why does he has to follow me everywhere? Then we see again the scene shifted, and now our main heroine has come out to take books and the forms she wants to take. At a time, we see our main hero who is also there and who is also trying to take form. But when he sees her, he says to her that wait for me, I'm just coming and I'll help you. But she doesn't wait for him and she decides to leave immediately because she doesn't want to let other know that she knows him. She just wanted to escape his company. And then we see again now he is trying to connect with her, but she is not letting him. And then we see our main hero's mother who is trying to call her, but at a time she answers it and says that I'm very tired, so can you please let it go. Then we see our main hero's message who asks our main heroine to come out, and then he also offers her barbecue. And then the scene shifted to next day, and where we see our main heroine senior who also is delighted to see her in his college. And now when we see both of them living together, our main hero gets jealous. And we see when they both were eating food, our main hero gets a call and tries to call our main heroine, but she doesn't attend. Then he comes into his dorm and then discuss with his fellows. And then again when he sees both of them in cafeteria and asks her why did she answer my phone, and thinks to himself what exactly went wrong. And then he also rated the senior she was having. And then but we see a strange kind of vibe between them, a strange kind of anger between both of them. And then he pushes her with him. And then finally we see afterward she reaches into her dorm, and at a time her best friend who was talking about the same childhood friend she wants to avoid as a crush. Then she tells her that I know him and he always stays with me. Then we see the girl is admiring him and she seems to not liking it very much, but she says that yes, okay, you can pursue him if you really want to, because I don't really care. I can also tell you about him a lot of things, so if you really like him I can help you. And then we see again our main heroine who is out with her friends, but at a time our main hero again meets her and then asks her, but she doesn't tell much and she seems to avoid him. Then we see a party, karaoke party, where they all have come, where the senior main hero and heroine, they all have come. And at a time they all ask our main heroine to sing song. She also sings and then others also sing song. And at a time when our main heroine was asked to drink, at a time our main hero drinks on her behalf. Then we see a game where they both have to look into each other's eyes, but our main heroine gets shy and then she left immediately. Then we see our main heroine best friend, she also was about to leave. Then she sees him and of course she already has a crush on him, so she just wanted to talk with him more. Then we see our main heroine who has come back and now she is talking with her senior and she was about to have drink, but at a time her senior and her best friend, they both try to stop him. Her best friend wants to take her with him, but she doesn't want to. But then finally he has taken her out. Then she says, why are you controlling my life? I don't want to see you around myself. Why do you have to be so annoying? Why do you follow me everywhere I go? And then we see next day she has finally sobered up, and now she remembers everything, but she doesn't seem to care much about it because she just wants to get rid of him and she doesn't want to have his company anymore. Then we see again her best friend who is sharing her feelings with her, and then we see our main hero who is with his best friend, and now he's asking for advice how to actually pursue a girl. And then he shows his dedication to his best friends. And then we see again the heroine's best friend has come, and then she has also taken admission into an art competition where they both are going to present a drama. And at that time our main hero doesn't seem to give her any kind of attraction because he doesn't like her at all, but she tries her best to get connected with him. On the other hand, we see again senior and our main heroine, they both are having great time with each other, but she still doesn't look very happy, but she seems to enjoy her company, his company, because she doesn't have to spend a lot of time with him, with his childhood best friend. And at that time we see again our main hero, he snatches her phone, and at that time he says, I won't give you again. And then we see both of them again, senior main heroine, together. Then we see our main heroine who is talking to someone else, but we don't know who that person is, but she is sharing her feelings with him and tells him that what she really thinks about him and how she wants to get rid of her childhood best friend. But we are not very sure who is that person, but then we realize that that person is none other but he's her childhood best friend. And then we see all of them sitting into a place where our main heroine is about to give a speech, but it seems that she doesn't get many people's attraction, and at that time she didn't get the first position, and upon hearing that she becomes sad. Then our main hero takes her with him and tries to motivate her, and then she finally becomes elated. At that time we see both of them happy. On the other hand, the senior feels a little sad that he might have provoked her or didn't cheer her up as much as he should have, so he wanted to apologize her, but she says no, it's not a big deal, I understand, and I also think that I also didn't perform very well. Then we see again all of them. Then we see senior and his best friend, they both are playing football, and right now they both are sharing their feelings, what they exactly think and how they want to achieve success in their life. Then we see again our main hero and heroine, now they are again on good terms. Now she is using her mobile phone. At a time he asks her to leave her mobile phone so he'll be able to talk with her. Then he asks her to help her in their script, in making their script, because they are going to perform a drama. As you all know, our main hero is fond of acting. Then we see senior again who has a call from her sister, and now she is telling him that the girl you want to really be with is my best friend, and I can help you if you give me some money and all that. Then we see again our main hero and heroine, now they both are together, but they are not very able to express their feelings, or they don't know what exactly do they think about each other. On the top of that, we see a discussion where they both begin to fight with each other, and that discussion becomes a little top news of the college. At that time, we see again our main heroine who is listening to her best friends, and at that time she seems to feel a little sad. Then we see again our main hero who is asking his best friend for help because he wants to know who the girl did upload our main heroine's photos. Then finally they caught her and revealed the truth. Then we see our main heroine whose suddenly health becomes severe, so they all take her to the hospital. But at a time, upon arriving at the hospital, they came to know that the pain was because of period, so no need to worry about. At a time, they both seem to become very worried about her. But at a time, her best friend, who is senior sister too, asked both of them to leave from there because she doesn't want to let other boys to know about her personal health. And then finally we see they both have gone out to buy some things for her, and our main hero who buys some things for especially to put on. And at that time we see our main hero who gets jealous when he sees them clothes, and then he also brings her a coffee. But at that time our main hero drinks it because he says that it's not very right for her. So I think, if I'm not being mistaken, I should drink it. On the other hand, we see again our main hero's best friend, who now seems to have a little interest into his sister, but he doesn't know whether she is his sister or not. And now they both are sitting together. At a time we see how he wants to talk with her and how he eagerly wants to make his her best friend. And then we see again our main hero is on bicycle, and he asked our main heroine to hop on. But at a time senior comes, and then he asks her to get into his car. But at a time our main hero say, I will go too. Then he put his cycle into his trunk and finally sits with him. And then we see when he finally sees her off, she went into her dome. And then again we see both of them who is having a little disagreement with each other. Then finally he looks at his cycle with disgusting eyes, and then he tells everything to his friends. Then we see that he also wants to buy a car, so he decides to call his parents and tell them that now he also wants to buy a car because everyone has car, and it's a little embarrassing to not have one. Then we see our main heroine who is again talking to the idol she thinks, and she is listening to his voice recording so to motivate herself. While we again see that our main heroine and the her best friend and her childhood best friend, they all are together, and our main heroine is making a script. There we see there was going to happen a scene, but she suddenly stops him and she says, no need, I think we don't need to have this scene. Then when again they're going to do that scene, she does that again too. Then finally at the end she says, I think we shouldn't have this scene, we should cut this scene. At that time we see our main heroine's best friend who is a little sad and disappointed. At that time she tries to clarify it and then think to herself, what happened to me, why did I do that? And then we see again both of them texting to each other. And the next day our main hero is happy because he knows that he finally is feeling something. How did you like this video? If you like this, please share, like